Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Ocho Rios Country Club, a luxurious gated community overlooking the resort town of Ocho Rios, which sits on 5.3 acres of land. The unit is spectacular. It's a split-level unit townhouse with a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, ideal for elderly. Fixtures, kitchen cabinets, countertops are all modern, fresh and new. There is a balcony on the top floor. So, when you rise in the morning, it's a perfect spot to drink your morning coffee or tea, surrounded by lush green lawns and beautifully landscaped gardens. What more could you ask for? Well, there is more. For your convenience, there will be a clubhouse on property, a pool, a gym, kiddies play area, multi-play area, and more. This will make a great vacation home or retirement home. You choose. Guys, let's look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.